only the right side, the corner of the ribbon going through, yeah.
But what you want to do is through this thing, and he's coming around the board sideways through this whole thing.
And he would just be right here, right? Like this?
Yep. Yeah, or we could do it from a tracking vehicle movement.
Well, he has to jump right in. He's going to have to jump right on. It might be more compact with the Libra head.
We are 100% locked up.
Thanks. All right, let's do it.
Okay, guys, move the cars up further away from us. So, in terms of starting past the stop.
We're gonna ease him over. We're gonna put Ben into the smooth zone.
Maybe it'd be better to do a faster run with you. Our side, it's me, whip over, down to the feet, and then we tilt up, and it's me.
Have it land back onto us, and then basically cut to the shot that we're going to next anyway, which is you facing down towards the hotel, pushing up the board.
That's good.
Get the board up.
Nice.
Yeah, let's stick it out. All right. I did.